Oh.
Tragic.
He needs it.
It'd be too toxic.
I just want to let you guys know this does not reflect my actual skill in the game. Like that. Hard push. Okay.
You got singled out, guys. You got singled out and you got sprayed. Straight up. Straight up. I can vouch.
Oh, I got sniped. That's nice.
12 seconds later.
Right here,
Yeah.
put it.
Yeah, yeah. We're just getting the bushes.
Yep,
Oh jeez.
Hard push.
I'd like to let everyone know this does reflect my skill in this game. I took out that whole team by myself.
The top of
barn.
One's down. He's gonna bleed out, yeah.
Get him in the mouth. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
How do you like
Second. This guy wants me so bad I have no more shotgun shots. Ah! There's so many llamas! This is terrible! You got this, Ron. You got this. I believe in you. Yeah, I like it. He missed his shotgun shots. He can't count to 3, Ron! Good job. I like it. I like it. GG's. GG's.
No help whatsoever. Leak is the dripping with water. I don't think it got a stack.
Hey. It's Raven skin. Get it. Oh, they couldn't take him slightly veering to the left. GG. All the hard work.
Monsters.
Woo! JaySeaTee with the plays. There's all of them! It's I took fall damage from my grappler. Don't get in my way! Oh god, somebody start picking me up for rockets. You can only 2 HP! Oh my god! GG's guys.